Well, here we go, here we go. Something just came up and right behind our baits. I'll tell you what, Sam, we can't ask for a better day out here today. This
No,
is
sir.
flat nice.
It's gorgeous right now. The wind might pick up later. It usually does in the afternoons.
Get that afternoon sea breeze.
Yeah.
Oh, fish on.
And a boy. Got him, Blair.
Got him, brother.
You're the man.
No telling what it is.
What is it? You out here where the big ones live.
That's like a shark.
A shark.
Sure felt like one right there.
I hope it's not a shark. But that'd be pretty cool. Maybe he's got a big old cobia with him.
I only hope. He's got a weird
thump.
Weird thump to him.
Weird thump.
A weird thump. Well, while I'm trying to get this, what I think's a shark in, I'll tell you where we are and who we're fishing with. We got Sam Heaton from Johnson Outdoors, and they are the makers of all of them lovely products that I use on the boat, such as a hummingbird fish finder, the Talon, which we got a new 12-footer out this year, and the Minn Kota trolling motor. 3 staples you need on the boat. Sam, you just got whacked over there on yours, I think.
Did I?
Yeah, I tell you what this really feels like now is a big bonehead, otherwise known. Whatever it is, it's got a good pull to it.
He's pulling on you. I see the rosin coming out of you.
Yeah, big bonita.
Punk rockers of the sea right there, buddy. Got him right in a good spot. You got him right in the top of the lip.
Maybe that's why he was so pissed off.
Yeah. Ain't that a nice fish?
That is a beauty.
He's beautiful.
Slide him back over here. Let's see that bonita.
He's beautiful.
Yes, sir. One beautiful fish. We're gonna keep this dude for bait. They're a lot of fun to fight. I don't know why everybody complains about these things so much, but we'll keep this guy for bait. Y'all stay tuned. We're gonna be right back with some more addictive fishing. Sam Heaton, what, about 3 miles right off of Stuart, right?
Yeah.
About 3 miles off of Stuart. We'll be right back.
Let's go then.
Good job.
What you got there, Sam?
Good job, Blair. You spotted that big boy.
Has he got it one with him? Get me a hook of tide on here. We got Sam Heaton with us from Johnson Outdoors, who makes those lovely products I use on the show each and every week. The Minn Kota on the front, the hummingbird fish finder, and we got the new 12-foot Talon. A little deep for the 12-foot Talon here, but we used it inshore a little bit earlier, and hopefully we're gonna show you a fish here.
Get the electric anchor. We should be right, the waypoint should be right behind the, wreck should be right behind the boat, Blair.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm in the water.
In the water, how about that? Hey, Cobia, right here, right behind us. Come here,
Trying to get up here to the front, Blair. Excuse me.
Where'd he go?
He's right there.
Oh, you got him?
Yeah.
There he is. Sam's on him, Sam's on him.
He's on it.
He's on it? Wow.
He's on it. He's on it. There he is. Good job.
What you got there, Sam?
Good job, Blair. You spotted that big boy.
Has he got it one with him?
We got you. Well, he did. That's a pretty good one there, ain't it, Blair? You know what we got? I got this thing on electric anchor on spot lock. We're out here in 60 feet of water. We don't have an anchor line or anything. We just pulled out here and I hit spot lock. We're right over a big wreck. This is so cool.
That's one thing about Cobia. When you pull up on a wreck, if they're there, they're gonna come up and take a look at you.
Take a look at you.
So you gonna feed me?
Yeah. Look at that rod. I'm impressed with that.
Yeah, I think that's a 7.9 too.
Yeah, this ain't no big rod. This isn't something like you'd fish for snook with. What kind of line is that?
It's Finn's XS, and I believe it's 15-pound test on there.
You know, when I was a boy in the Gulf of Mexico, we used to call these Chinese catfish. Now, don't ask me why we did. I'm trying to keep the fish on the back part of the rod, you know? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Instead of high sticking him. Yeah, normally, I think we're gonna have to do him over here, Blair. I have a net in here, but I know he's well over the legal limit.
Oh yeah, he's well over 33 inches.
Don't do no good winding when the spool's spinning, does it?
No, I've tried to convince my clients for that years and years of telling them, when you hear that sound, you shouldn't be reeling. Come on, Mr. Fishy.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. You don't think they're strong fish?
Nothing but muscle.
All he is muscle. Muscle and bone. Am I breathing hard, Blair?
A little bit.
Can you hear me breathing? You know why I'm breathing hard?
Why is that?
Because I'm tired. Been doing it a long time. I ain't never forgot how much I love it.
I always say if I ever quit shaking or ever
That's right.
start complaining about being sore from a fish, it's time to quit.
Come on, baby.
Did you make
Maybe,
this
Blair.
one? You said you made
You
that one,
are a
huh?
hero. He went from a 0. Watch him now, boys. He's bad to the bone. He got a hacksaw on his back. I'm glad you was bragging about being so young.
Woo!
Well, I don't have to do that.
Now there we go.
That's a Mogan.
That's a Mogan there, brother.
Mogan.
Well, we've been on the spot, the first spot right here. What were we on here? Not more than 5 minutes after you put the spot lock down on the Minn Kota.
Yeah.
And here's what we got. We got a Cobia.
Yeah.
And this
A
one's
nice
gonna,
one, too.
And this one's gonna be invited home.
We're gonna invite him for dinner.
Well, y'all stay tuned. We're gonna be right back here from Stuart, Sam Heaton from Minn Kota, Talon, and Humminbird. And we're catching some fish. Y'all stay tuned. We'll be right back. Nice job.
Let's go then.
Whatever it is. Oh, it's a sailfish.
Sailfish!
Sailfish, baby.
Way to go, Blair! I got a sailfish too!
A double sail. Look
Double
at that.
sailfish hookup!
Well, welcome back, folks. We're back up on the wreck now after Sam just got done fighting that nice Cobia. We're gonna invite that one home for dinner. And basically what we're doing, we got right back up on the wreck, letting the baits drift back. And I still can't believe how close we are to shore here. And we're in how many feet of water?
About 60 feet.
Well, I've noticed one thing, when I get to a wreck offshore, if I plug in the numbers right off the FWC website,
Yeah.
or off one of them top charts, it can be anywhere up to 50, 60 yards off of that spot. And I start using that side imaging and that 360 now. And I mean, if you're off a football field.
The side imaging was the greatest tool it's ever been until the 360 came along.
Yeah, I agree.
And the 360, I mean, what you do, you go to the 360 screen, you deploy 360, there it goes down, it starts spinning, 360 is deployed, and you can sit here and the wreck is right behind us. We're shooting 85 feet and 360 degrees all the way around this boat, okay? Each one of these rings represents 21 feet. You see it right here. That screen refreshes every time that line goes around, that screen refreshes.
Just like underwater radar, basically.
It's just like an underwater radar. It's just, underwater sonar is above water radar. That's all it is. Except this is a lot faster. Look. Oh, looky here. One more time.
You got something chewing on it.
Yeah, bet it's one of them remorse.
You got something chewing on this one here.
He's chewing on it really good now.
This one here is getting chewed on real good too.
Ooh, chihuahua.
Whatever it is. Oh, it's a sailfish.
Sailfish!
Sailfish, baby.
Way to go, Blair! I got a sailfish too!
A double sail, look
Double
at that.
sailfish hookup! God, break yours off!
Oh, he's gonna jump.
Oh, I gotta cross with you. Wow, look at him.
Is that a pretty
Mine's
sight or
tail
what?
walking. Cut the machine off. Whoa! I gotta cut the trolling motor off. Follow him.
There's another.
Okay.
There he is.
How close are you, Blair? Wow, you're close.
This is close, but
Mine's going a long way away.
oh, mine just got off.
That's okay. You can help me land mine.
You fixing to run out of line.
You better do something, Blair. You better do something, Blair. Blair.
I'm gonna swing you around where you can get on the bow.
Okay, okay. Mine's a baby compared to yours. Oh, he's jumping out there. You see why these butt seats are so important to old people?
That's all right, Sam. You can fight the fish today. I'll stay here under the shade.
That's okay. Come on, Black boy.
Just keep reeling, Sam.
I'm reeling, buddy. I can't feel my arms no more. Okay, you can slow down. Woo-wee. Man, that was a huge fish you had, Blair.
That was a good sail.
This is a baby, but this is my kind of fish right here.
Be like the Sam Heaton show today.
Oh man, it's nothing like it. Double sail hookup. Can you believe it? That's pretty cool, ain't it?
In June.
In June. Hey, there's one with him, Blair.
Well, I'll just have to rig
My fish is out here to the right. That fish right there is sailing. See him? Can you see him, Blair?
Yeah, let me get another
Isn't that
hook on.
cool? What? You ready, Blair?
Almost.
I got to get his head back up one time. Now this is a crucial part right here. I'm saying, look at that. Oh my gosh.
Beautiful fish right there, brother.
Oh, isn't that pretty, Blair? Look at that, Blair. Look at you, Blair. Blair Wiggins, you got a sailfish by the nose.
Yes, I do, brother.
You got a sailfish by the nose.
Yep.
Isn't that something?
I'm gonna get the hook too.
You gonna get the hook?
I might. It's right there. Yep, got the hook.
Oh, you're a hero, Blair. Good job, look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh,
Sailfish right there, beautiful sail.
Beautiful Atlantic sailfish. Oh my gosh, it don't get no prettier than that.
And you want to make sure you got gloves on when you grab this bill because that will flat tear your hands
You want
up.
me to put it in gear and let you revive him a little?
Yeah, just a little bit. You want to touch your sailfish?
Huh?
I said, you want to touch your sailfish?
Cut it?
No, you want to touch it.
Oh, yeah, I'll touch him. I might not get to catch another one. Hey, baby, I like you. I'm old, you know. I'm 64. Oh, wait. Wearing me out.
Oh, he's ready to. Look at that beautiful fish.
Isn't that pretty, Blair?
That is absolutely beautiful.
Woo-wee.
Yeah, that one I had on was big. He was definitely big, but this is not a bad Atlantic sail.
Oh,
at
it's
all.
not a bad Atlantic sailfish.
What a pretty fish.
Isn't that pretty? We are blessed.
I like the polka dots on her
I do
sail.
too. That's my favorite part, them polka dots right in there.
What a beautiful fish.
Love them. That is so cool.
That's the first time I've ever been on a boat with a double sailfish.
Is it?
Yeah.
Wow. You know,
right, here
you
it
and I
goes.
ought to go to Hard Rock tonight. You can just stand by me.
All right, I think
don't
he's
know how to
ready. I'm gonna
play.
let him kick on.
Yeah, let him kick out of here.
Get on out of here, buddy.
Thank you, buddy.
Thank you very
You're
much.
the best. Prince of the ocean.
That was awesome. Good sailfish from the sailfish capital of the world, huh?
Yeah, I'm just excited. I don't even know where I am.
Well, we'll let you catch a fish all day long today. Hey, y'all stay tuned. We're going to be right back with some more addictive fishing and who knows what else with Sam Heaton from Johnson Outdoors.
Let's go then.
How long do you let him run? About that long?
About that long.
There he is.
You got him, Blair. Good
Woo,
job.
look at him, he's a sailfish.
Good job, good job.
Or the spotlight.
Spotlight, that's right. This morning, we chose this spot to go to. This is out here in about 65 feet of water. It's right in the edge of the color change. I used my chart plotter to get here. I picked out my waypoint. I said, go to Evans Quarry waypoint. And I said, when I hit go to, it automatically gave me a course to navigate to this location where we're fishing. Now, there's a lot of waypoints on there. You got to know which waypoint is going to produce at what time of year. But this chart plotter is an essential piece of equipment. You cannot do without.
Something's chewing on it.
Right there, something chewing on that one, dude.
He's got it, Sam. How long do you let him run? About that long?
About that long.
There he is.
You got him, Blair. Good
Woo,
job.
look at him, he's sailfish.
Good job, good job.
Let's chase him. I'm gonna have to get up front on this one. He's screaming. Jumping, jumping. Good jumps.
Oh, yeah.
There you go, buddy.
Woo, Chihuahua, coming to the boat.
As long as you don't come in the boat.
Woo, Chihuahua. He's wowing, Blair.
Pretty when they jump, ain't they?
Aren't they something?
They are something. I never did really get into catching sailfish
And
too
just
much,
wonderful.
but
I do.
the more I catch, the more I like them.
Oh, man.
That's good sized sailfish too.
That's a big one, boy. I'm impressed with those rods, I know that. Look how pretty. Now, Blair, I'm gonna try and do this by the textbook. And there's a certain way you want to line the leader of these fish. I don't
Look at
think
that
you're
beautiful
ready.
fish.
You want to do thumbs pointed to each other. That way you can fight him off of you if he tries to spear you in the face. Easy, Blair. Easy with him. He's a full-grown one.
That is a good sized Atlantic sail, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Should be able to pull him back with that now.
I got him now.
He's a cold one now, ain't he, brother?
Yes, sir. Thumbs together. Thumbs together. Thumbs together. Just let him relax a little bit. He'll be okay. Just let him be mad.
We'll try to pull him up just a little bit.
Yeah.
Right. There he is, boys. A nice sailfish. Ain't that pretty?
Beautiful. Oh my gosh.
All right,
Beautiful.
let's put her in gear and get some water over her lungs.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Try to hold them up straight like that and get them swimming. They're not starving for oxygen because we hadn't taken him out of the water. We just want to get that lactic acid burn up, you know, where he can move.
Yeah, they'll stiffen up. I've had redfish do that before.
Yeah.
Woo! Caught it on the trout rod.
Yeah, yeah, you sure did. Come on, baby. Yeah, he's coming around. Or
Getting the color back.
He's getting his color back. Feeling good.
Man, what a
I'm
pretty.
gonna try him, okay?
All right.
I'm gonna turn him loose.
See you later, buddy. Thank you for a good fight.
There he goes.
Down to the deep.
There he's deep.
That was incredible on the trout rod.
You know, it's always fun getting to fish with you, Blair.
Dude, it is a blast.
Yeah.
Always a blast fishing with you, Sam.
Yeah, well.
If y'all ever want to come down here and do this, who would you recommend them coming down?
Greg Snyder's good. Ed Zayak's good. Young Pat Price, Daymaker's good. All those boys are real good captains.
Well, cool beans. Get down here in the summertime. You can do exactly what you just saw us doing here today. One thing though, don't forget about the website, addictivefishing.com. Everybody's got their favorite picture of their big fish on their phone. We call it Show Us Your Mogan. Send it into the website there on Google+. Just punch up Addictive Fishing, you'll find us. But that about wraps it up for this show. And that was an awesome day, brother.
Love you, brother.
See y'all next week.
Check out more footage from this show by logging on to addictivefishing.com for outtakes and bloopers.
Sorry.
Get him in the bottom of the boat.
Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up.
I ain't had this many orders since I worked at Burger King.
It's a piece of, no, it's a fish. Oh.